Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tone Setter. This is how the cleanest beards are made. The pro level blueprint, start to finish. If beard care matters, stick around because this routine might change the way grooming is approached. All right, so first off, let's take a good look at what we're working with. Grown out, a little wild, but full of potential. We start with the number 1 guard, lever closed. We're just knocking down wild hairs and laying that mustache down. Don't rush this step. It's like prepping the canvas before you paint. Always brush, comb, or pick. Using your trimmer, we line the mustache right above the lip. Clean but still natural. Then light detail work around the mouth corners and goatee area. Some clients want it boxed out, some want that rugged vibe. Communication is always key. Always ask, you want it natural or sharp? Never assume. Next, we're hitting underneath the neck. This is where most beards lose their shape. Trim everything under the jawline. Keep it square and strong unless the client asks for a rounded or faded look. Comb the beard forward and start trimming hairs that spill over the sideburns. This gives you a clean vertical frame without taking bulk away. Then pull the back part of the beard towards the ear and start your edge up. Keep it symmetrical, and most important, don't dig in. Different textures react differently to pressure. What works for coarse hair might not work for fine. Be patient and adjust your touch. If you feel the vibe, make sure to hit that like. Greatly appreciate you. Follow up with the full shaver to clean everything below the beard line. It gives a longer lasting finish and keeps it tight. Now we spray condition and pick the beard out. This gets it ready for heat. The hot brush is a game changer. It straightens the beard gently, trains the shape, and helps products absorb better. Think of the hot brush like a blow dryer with control. It's not about making the beard look thin, it's about making it manageable. If you're feeling the vibe, make sure to hit that like. Thank you so much. Hot foam, hot towel. Now the beard is soft and ready. Stretch the skin and razor the edges for that sharp finish. We're keeping it natural but sharp enough to turn heads. There's something about a clean beard line. It's not just grooming, it's confidence. Now we pick everything back out again. Clean up the fro, shape the beard. And trim any wild hairs with the shears for that detailed barbershop finish. This is where the before versus after really shows. What started rough now looks intentional, sharp, and well kept. So now that you have seen what's possible, what's your beard routine looking like? Drop a comment. Final look: clean, symmetrical, full shape. Beard is groomed, mustache is lined. Subscribe, hit the like, and share with your boy who needs a beard rescue. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay sharp.